And then we'll have a little fun here. Okay, folks, ready or not, here we go. Had a note handed to me. I'm going to read it verbatim. It says, "Can I have your attention, please? We'd like to do something special for our lucky winners who won big here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Now, we'd like to draw your attention to seat 29E, where you'll find Eric, who's traveling with his wife, Lisa." Well, Eric, although you didn't strike it rich here in Las Vegas, you did hit the jackpot. Congratulations. You're about to be a dad.
Thank you. Okay, let's go. Flight attendant.